Hey, welcome to an unboxing of the Sony LinkBuds Fit, truly wireless earbuds. So the front of the box is kind of bare bones and it has information on a choking hazard, which is kind of funny. And then, well, it's not funny to choke. It's not what I'm implying. Oh God, this video started off horribly. But it's just funny that they listed it on the front and some minor features on the top of the box. Usually you kind of have the features listed on the front, making more appealing to consumers, but it's just interesting choice. I was trying to see if there's anything in there, but it's just super thick cushioning padding. Kind of seems like a waste of cardboard in my opinion. And here is the case itself. So right off the bat, the case is small in width, I guess you could say, and length, but it's a little deep. I don't know. I'll see how it fits in jean pockets. So I'm going to do a review of these, and the link to review will be in the video description when it's done. And I'll let you know what it feels like. You know, is the case a bit too large for something like jean pockets? Because jean pockets tend to be a bit tight. And they're the earbuds themselves. Super simple, unique shape and design. We'll leave that to the side because there's going to be definitely more stuff in the box we got to get out, right? So there seems to be two slots I need to open up. And yeah, this is like crazy hard to open. So okay, let me see if I can just get one side open. It might loosen up the rest, and maybe I can get the rest afterwards, okay? So I get this out. And there's nothing. Okay, so more additional wasted cardboard. And then it makes the other stuff that I probably need, which is most likely the USB charging cable, unnecessarily difficult to get out. And it's weird because Sony kind of touts on their website, they like to use recycled packaging, good on the environment. So far, they've wasted quite a bit on such a small amount of packaging required. So not a good look on Sony. Not sure what they were thinking there. Okay, so 360 audio experience is a free trial code, which I just flashed. I got to blur it out post editing. Limited warranty information for 1 year for US and Canada. So just very fun, super duper documentation. Also more documentation. Listing something about Vietnam here, even though it's in English. Okay, that's weird. It's a quick start guide. These things are usually easy to figure out. Just download the app. The app will tell you everything you need to do. That's usually how it goes. Multiple earbud fittings. So there's one pair already on the earbuds and there's another 3 in the packaging. So chances are it's going to fit you comfortably, thankfully. And a USB-A to USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it. So again, a link to the review will be in the video description. I'll cover a whole bunch of stuff: noise canceling performance, audio performance, is the case too big or not, battery, so on and so forth. So yeah, look out for the link to the review in the video description, as well as my social media links and website link. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.